All right. So I'm not going to be able to be on camera. Don't actually have the camera set up right now, but wanted to put up a video for Read My MRI, talk about what it is, and uh, yeah, everything else going on in life. So Read My MRI is a project that was very excited about initially. Um, Actually, as a matter of fact, I think that I'm comfortable saying that I was really excited to build a lot of stuff initially. Probably no longer, to be very honest. Uh, but Read My MRI technology is a healthcare medical imaging AI assisted platform that is both consumer facing in its opportunity, as well as enterprise ready as well. And the intentionality behind it is very straightforward. Believe that AI is at a point where we can make um, informative analysis readily available to those that would seek second opinion from the comfort of their own home. It is a zip native DICOM uploading platform where there's a pre-processing script that removes all PHI from the DICOM slices before they are converted into a lossless image format to then be put into a single data frame of choice where it can be enabled by DAFT distributed querying, which would enable uh, quite extraordinary machine learning pipelines, um, things that we've never known about radiology before become quite possible when you can machine learn on unstructured data within a single data frame on quite literally petabytes of data. This technology is now made open source, and I have put that onto GitHub. And so it does have FDA pathways, absolutely. Um, there are regulatory hurdles that would need to be climbed before this can become commercially or consumer available, but it exists, and it should be taken up by somebody to do something with, because it's very much like Rad AI and MedSam. The multi-agent analysis is novel in approach. The consensus approach is novel as well. As with any AI, there's some tweaking that can be done to get it absolutely correct. But the frontier models are quite capable and quite useful in this regard. So um, I'm actually going to see if I can show on screen here what a read looks like in some of the way that the preprocessor looks as well. Um, Unfortunately, what you'll find with DICOM images, the meta tags are a mess, and so getting it to function properly, I don't have another DICOM on me right now, or I would do an actual test on screen. But here's what you can see the analysis looks like. In full functioning form, you think about the opportunity that you have available with consumers being able to comfortably have their imaging evaluated by the most modern AI technology available from the comfort of their own home. But also think about providers who need to make critical decisions at bedside and don't really have the time uh, to be able to either review the images themselves, or they don't have the educational background to be able to evaluate the images. This provides kind of a novel opportunity to provide that support. And moreover, it doesn't come with the vendor lock-ins and the extraordinary fees to be able to have access to this kind of technology. It simply exists as open source, and like I said, somebody should do something with it. It's not going to be me. I'm happy to support this software. We'll continue to support this software, but I am pumping the brakes on development for the foreseeable future. to say the least. But anyhow, this is Read My MRI, and very exciting opportunity with it.